Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 using only your keyboard and mouse. We will cover essential controls for navigating the game world, interacting with your Sims, and building your dream homes. Mastering these inputs will give you precise control over every aspect of your gameplay experience. Get ready to enhance your Sims 4 adventures with these simple, effective techniques. For camera control, use the W, A, S, and D keys to pan around your lot and the neighborhood. To rotate your view, simply hold down the right mouse button and drag your mouse. You can zoom in and out effortlessly by scrolling your mouse wheel. To select a sim or an object, just left-click on it. These actions provide complete visual command. Switching between modes is simple. Press the F2 key to enter build mode, where you can construct and furnish homes. To return to controlling your Sims, press the F1 key for live mode. For precise object placement in build mode, hold down the Alt key while dragging. To quickly remove an item, select it and press the Delete key. Here are some advanced tips to elevate your gameplay. Press the P key to pause the game instantly. Adjust game speed using the number keys, 1 for normal, 2 for fast, and 3 for ultra fast. For extra options, hold Shift and left-click on a sim to reveal a cheat menu. Remember to save your progress often by pressing Ctrl+S.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.